What's next? Yes, I know the speed is awakening today. We are bringing you the latest flagship for the youth, Realme 3 Pro.
And finally got what resulted in the Realme 3 Pro. The Realme 3 Pro will be available in 3 color variants: the Nitro Blue, the Lightning Purple, and the Carbon Grey, each unique in its own way. This is the all-new Realme 3 Pro, where speed awakens. Now let's move to the front of Realme 3 Pro. It will have a 6.3-inch dewdrop display featuring a high screen-to-body ratio of 90.8% and having FHD plus resolution. At the same time, Realme 3 Pro will also be equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which will be more toughened and durable. Now let's talk about some real power. With Realme 3 Pro, we will be bringing you the excellent performance chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. This is the perfect chipset with many flagship features taken from the 800 series to give our users smooth and lag-free experience. When it comes to the GPU, which is, I know, very important for you guys, the mighty Adreno 616 gives you faster graphics and console-like gaming experience, better than any other smartphone in the market. Now you can download all the heavy loaded games and enjoy them to the fullest. We also have some industry experts to evaluate the gaming performance of Realme 3 Pro. Just take a look at the results by GameBench officials, and you can see that Realme 3 Pro crushes all the other pros in the market right now, giving you the highest and the smoothest frame rate amongst all. We wanted to test out Fortnite as well, but since it's not compatible with any other devices, we couldn't get that data for you. To further improve the gaming experience, Realme 3 Pro also improves on the gaming audio experience. We have changed the location of the speaker to the bottom right. This has been done so that it does not get blocked by your hands while gaming. This is the level of detailing that we have done for Realme 3 Pro. The combination of super linear speakers and smart power amplifier doubles the audio volume, giving you a much better audio experience. But for gaming, isn't a big battery absolutely necessary? Yes, with Realme 3 Pro, we are bringing a massive 4045 mAh battery, which is 15.6% higher than our previous Realme 2 Pro. Our tests in real-life scenarios indicate that with Realme 3 Pro, you can play 7 hours of PUBG, 9.5 hours of YouTube, and even 18.3 hours of web browsing without any additional charging. Realme 3 Pro also supports the CABC technology that increases your battery life up to 10%. So Realme 3 Pro will come with VOOC 3.0. A 20-watt charger inside the box. Yes, my friends, it will be available inside the box with the phone when you buy it, so that you don't have to spend any extra penny just to buy the charger. With VOOC 3.0, we promise you that with 10 minutes of charging, you can click 1,000+ pictures, watch one full movie, play PUBG's 3.5 rounds, or even talk on the phone for more than 5 hours. This is how good VOOC 3.0 really is. Well, now comes my favorite part, the camera. As I said during Realme 3 launch as well, that hardware, image tuning, and experience optimization are three core indispensable factors to produce a good picture. Now let me show you how we've improved and worked on all these three to give you the camera of Realme 3 Pro. The Realme 3 Pro's rear camera will have a 16 megapixel primary shooter with a Sony flagship sensor IMX519. It has a fixed pixel size of 1.22 micron and a large aperture of 1.7, the best in this segment. With the support of Spectra 250 ISP in the Snapdragon 710, our camera team has made Realme 3 Pro feature flagship image qualities. Let us check out some sample pictures. Just look at the overall level of detailing, the vivid colors, and how good each and every picture is. Now, as we introduced in Realme 3 Pro will feature the new and improved nightscape mode to give you the perfect pictures in the low light conditions. Just one click and Realme 3 Pro camera can shoot multiple pictures in RAW format like a burst. It can capture more details, highlights, shadows, and balance the overall brightness, leading to exceptional night shots. These are some sample shots of the same. In this picture, you cannot just miss the space between these two buildings and the level of detailing and how balanced the lights and brightness are in this picture. Isn't it amazing, guys? Now here is a comparison of the Realme 3 Pro Nightscape mode and others in the same segment. And again, you can see the level of detailing and the colors and the highlights that are captured in this picture. You can see that it's the best, isn't it? The magical Chroma Boost is also here, which is the one step from Master Shots. The enhanced Chroma Boost can improve the dynamic ranges and the colors in a better and more natural way, like you can see in this picture. Let's take a look at some sample pictures. The colors are so bright and vivid in every picture. Especially, just look at the red color of the chilies in this one. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Well, here is another comparison of the Realme 3 Pro Chroma Boost picture with others in the same segment. And again, look at the color reproduction and the dynamic range and ultimately the level of detailing that is there in the Realme 3 Pro picture. Well, this is not it when we talk about the camera of Realme 3 Pro. For our users who want a higher resolution image, we have the Ultra HD mode in Realme 3 Pro. You can shoot a 64 megapixel picture in this mode. This can be done by multi-frame synthesis technology. But please note that this is not just copy-pasting pixels on 4 photos. Our Ultra HD optimizes 4x real pixels to produce outstanding pictures. Now here is a comparison of the Realme 3 Pro 64 megapixel Ultra HD mode with the 48 megapixel of Redmi Note 7 Pro, what everybody has been talking about. And you can judge for yourself the level of detailing, how it's captured for the Realme 3 Pro. This shows that it's not just about high megapixels, but also about software optimization that give you good pictures. Let's take a look at some more sample pictures. This picture is actually my personal favorite. Even for a close shot like this, just look at how much details are there in these coffee beans as well. Realme 3 Pro will feature slow motion at 960 FPS. Now you can record the world in detail when it slows down by 32 times. Here is a video. This is truly a feature that could compare with many flagships nowadays, and hope you can all enjoy this in Realme 3 Pro. Speaking of video shooting, yes, Realme 3 Pro supports 4K resolution and EIS anti-shake function to give you smooth and natural videos. Not just that, you also have the editing feature with Realme 3 Pro that can let you change the speed, apply filters, filter soundtracks, or even add any special effect or text. Now you don't have to download any other specific apps just for video editing. Well, now it's time to move to the selfie camera. Realme 3 Pro will also be a Selfie Pro. The front camera is upgraded to a 25 megapixel camera with an aperture of 2.0. It also supports 4-in-1 pixels to give you better low-light photography and has a single pixel size up to 1.8 micron. Just like Realme 3, Realme 3 Pro has also inherited the Realme U1's Selfie Flow algorithm that makes every simple selfie customized just for you and just the way you like it. Here are some sample pictures. Looking at these, we are confident that you will enjoy clicking selfies on Realme 3 Pro. Well, Realme 3 Pro also comes with colorOS 6.0 based on Android Pie.
Realme 3 Pro, speed awakens. Realme smartphone.
So the first view of this product with the 7 series, because they always had a myth, the 7 series cannot be below 20K. So the first impression for the price, it comes in two variants, first of all, 4GB 64 and 6GB 128. It comes in two memory variants. 4GB 64, as per the people's expectations, not mine, but as per the people's expectation, was priced at 90,999 and 24,999. This is as per people's expectation. I know this is not what I want. This is not what I want for my users. Okay, 9. This is as per people's expectation. I know this is not what I want. This is not what I want for my users. Okay, so I know it's too high. We cannot do that because this is a real company. We cannot do that. We cannot send our dealers on the cost of our product. We cannot make our customers happy on the cost of the product. Come on, it's already the most powerful device in this price range. How do you like it now if I put up the new price? How about this? Anyways, you won't find anything cheaper than this. But let's cut the crap. No jokes now. I'll come to the final price. The price for Realme 3 Pro 461 is going to be 13,999. And price for 6GB, 128GB would be 60,999. There are a lot of other excitement news coming forward. The first sale will be on 29th of April, 2019, 12 noon. And we have built up enough of stocks. Don't worry about the stocks. Right? It will be available on Flipkart.com, Realme.com, and soon it will be available in offline stores near you. The most amazing partner offers would be from HDFC Bank with a flat 1,000 rupees off on debit cards and credit cards, as well as on the EMI transactions, 1,000 rupees flat. And secondly, it would be a no-cost EMI for all the customers up to 6 months, with a Geo benefits again coming up to 5,300 rupees. Now, how is this complete package now? Thank you, guys. But I know there's one more thing which I want to tell you. For many hardcore fans, like what I said, touch and feel is going to be the most important aspect for our industry. We want to give this phone before, anyone else can experience. We want you guys to experience before you buy from Flipkart or Realme. So for the first time, we are coming with the first pop-up sale event on 27th of April, 4:30 p.m. at Pacific Mall. We really want you to experience the phone before you actually buy it. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be there in the Pacific Mall, New Delhi. See you guys over there as well. I think that's it for today. So the next time, I will see you in May.